Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Yeah, I live 20 minutes from the guy. Go ahead.
That is all. I like the back.
Thanks, man.
Y'all did this? Y'all built it?
Yeah, I built it.
Heck yeah.
It's 6 TNT 15s on the 3 Rockvilles.
Is that an American bass?
Yeah, American bass.
I like the port.
Thank you.
What is it tuned to?
I want to say it's around like 28-ish. It's low.
Okay. And these are your 3 amps on the subs?
Yeah. Yep. 3 DB15s.
And they're what are they wired to for 2 per pair?
1 ohm.
1 ohm.
Yeah.
What about your electrical?
CES 270, the 1 XS D3400, and 2 Decas.
Okay. Oh, wow. Nice. What was your name?
Tom.
Tom. All right. Have you metered it yet?
Not recently. Last time I metered it was like a 148.9.
Okay.
It's a cheap build.
C-pillar budget, C-pillar build?
Yep. Ever since I hold on, call me. Yeah. I'm not your greatest amenities lately. I ain't got no. The way that they. Alright. Guess it's that time of the month.
Man. Yeah, let them cool off, man. So what's behind the box? Is it just the box?
Yeah, just the box.
Okay.
Just a little area to put stuff.
Yeah, okay, that's all good, man. I was just curious. Can I see the alternator?
Yeah.
Heck yeah. So you got everything in the back seat.
Yep.
And you can still use your back seats if you need.
Yep.
So it's just to be able to showcase the amps and the battery and all.
Yeah, we were messing with some stuff a little bit ago.
Heck yeah. I like it, man. It looks good.
Thanks.
That's right. Yes, sir. I understand. 270. Nice. Got the big 3 done too?
Yep.
Nice. So how big is the sealed section?
Well, it's actually a 6th.
Oh man, I just messed up, man. I gotta see the port. I didn't know it was a 6th order.
Real small for a 6th.
Okay, I see it now. Sorry, I had to get deeper in. So it's a 6th order, okay. So what are the two tunings then?
I want to say it's like 28 and 56.
So that's your bandwidth?
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome. Wow, that's why I guess it was playing the lows. That makes sense. The 6th orders give you that low beat.
Yep.
Sweet. What are these subs rated at?
Power-wise?
Yeah.
I want to say like
12, 1500?
under power.
Oh yeah. This looks good, man. I like the glittered splatter you put in the back.
Yeah,
It makes it
last minute thing.
makes it pop out.
Just look boring all gray.
Yeah. Thank you, man.
Yeah, man, no
What was your name?
problem. Tom.
Tom. Appreciate it, man. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.